Welcome to our deep dive into the world of voice cloning technology. By 2025, this technology has evolved immensely, giving rise to both excitement and concern. Imagine waking up to find that someone has cloned your voice to create videos without your permission. How did such an incident happen and who was involved? Voice cloning without consent raises serious legal issues. What rights do voice owners have in our digital age? The emotional and professional consequences of having one's voice used without permission can be devastating. Let's explore these personal impacts. So, how does voice cloning software actually work? Let's break down the technology behind cloning a voice. When we compare voice cloning to traditional impersonation, what distinct differences emerge? Let's analyze this intriguing comparison. In light of these challenges, what safeguards and legislations are currently in place regarding voice cloning? How are YouTube creators responding to the rise of voice cloning? Let's explore their thoughts and actions. For individuals worried about their voice being cloned, here are some steps you can take to protect your voice and content. As we look to the future of voice cloning, how will personal rights evolve in the digital landscape? Will our voices remain uniquely ours?